Welcome to AER channel and welcome back to Surfacing course. To work with surfaces, here we have a tab Surfaces, and here we have different tools for working with surface. The first one that we are gonna show is Extruded Surface. For Extruded Surface, you need at least one sketch, and we have this triangle. And here we have another sketch, and this line is gonna be for direction. So let's go to Extruded Surface, and now we have to select our sketch. So let's click on this line or on the other line here on the sketch. So here we can change a direction. So we can go down and we can go up. And then here we have a depth. So we can go here with, for example, 50. Or we can just drag this arrow and then we can set up the depth here, like this, to 80. Here we have direction too, so we can check this. As well, we can choose here line, and we can go with different depth. So we can go with 20 to another direction, like this. So now let's click OK. And now as we see, here we have a surface. Let's go to Surfaces Extrude. Let's go Edit Feature. And here we can choose direction of extrusion. So let's click here. And let's choose this sketch too, like this. And now we have direction of extrusion along this line. Here we have one option, and this is Cap N. If we click Cap N, then the surface on the upper side will be closed. Let's click OK. And now we see that we have closed here our surface. If we look from the other side, here it's not closed. If we want to close this one as well, we have to go to Surface, Edit Feature, and here under Direction 2, let's check Cap N and click OK. And now it's closed here and here. Let's see what is inside. So let's go with Section and let's see. Now, as we see, this is not surface anymore. This is solid body. So if we put cap here and down, then we have solid body. Then we don't have a surface anymore. So we have to be careful with this one. Now let's exit. Let's go Edit Surface. Let's check Cap N here and Cap N here. Here we also have draft, so we can turn on and off draft as well as we were using solid bodies. So let's check on and let's increase our angle to 10 degrees. So we can go to this side, or we can go here with draft outward to this side. As well under direction 2, we can also check on and on draft. So let's go here, let's go with 5 degrees and let's leave as it is. And let's click OK. Now we have two different drafts, for one direction and direction 2. And those are the basics how we can work with Extruded Surface. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe if you like. Hope it can be a little helpful and useful.